Question number 6, I told you to write, in order to meet the everlasting, ever increasing demand in factories and for shelter, man is cutting down the trees. So you have to write, is it justified to cut down the trees for such projects? That means we are cutting down the forest because we say we need industries. So is it justified? You have to prepare a report. So you will write, it is not justified to cut down the trees for increasing demand of the factories, because if we cut down the trees for demand of factories, then due to deforestation the habitat of the animals is destroyed. Due to cutting down of forests, the quality of air decreases. Due to cutting down of forests, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases, which causes greenhouse effect. And if factories are established in the areas where the trees have been cut, then it will lead to pollution also, because factories will produce pollution which will affect the environment. This much you can write for this question number 6. Question number 7 is, how can you contribute to the maintenance of green wealth of your locality? So this question is for your locality. What will you do to contribute the green wealth, that is the forest of your locality? These actions which you do, this you have to write in your own words. What can you do for the forest in your locality? It could be a colony. Question number 8, explain how deforestation leads to reduced rainfall. Now this you had written, so you can write, deforestation, cutting down of forests, makes the topsoil hard, and therefore the water percolation or the water absorption quality of the soil decreases. So whenever it rains, the water is not absorbed by the soil, therefore the underground water level of that area decreases. Therefore in future the evaporation of water will be less, which affects the rainfall. Deforestation causes reduced rainfall because the trees help to maintain moisture. So if there is a big forest area, then the water which is present in the soil and the transpiration water lost by the trees will make the air moist, which will bring rainfall in that area. So these 2 points are enough for this answer, that is, excess cutting of trees causes deforestation, which reduces the rainfall in a particular area. Question number 9, find out the information about the national parks in your state. Now this is a question where you have to write about your state, name and show their locations on the map of India. So you have to make a map, you can draw or you can sketch on a map the national parks which are there in your state. Question number 9, why should paper be saved? This also you have covered. Question number 10 you have done, that how does cutting off plant, this was there in one of the videos, so you can write from there.